Good day. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to start a new topic, which is called nucleic acids, right? Which falls under paper 2, right? And then the nucleic acids, and then it's created by me, right? And then these are the slides, right? I'll be presenting everything, and everything will be clear. You'll see. Section 1.1, the structure of DNA and RNA. We're going to learn about the structure of DNA and RNA and the difference between DNA and RNA, right? Those are the only things that we're going to cover in this lesson. And then what happens is that DNA and RNA, right? So what happens is that they are two types of nucleic acids in an animal cell, which are DNA and RNA, right? So in an animal cell, there is what? There is what we call DNA and RNA, right? Those are two types of nucleic acids. So firstly, what happens is that DNA is the deoxyribonucleic acid. You see, it ends with what? It ends with nucleic acid. You see, and then this one is a ribonucleic acid. Right? It ends with acid, nucleic acid. And then what happens? These two nucleic acids are made of building blocks or monomers, and these monomers are called what? They're called the nucleotides. The nucleotides. The nucleotides, guys, are something like this, whereby we have the phosphate group here, and then it attaches to what? To the sugar molecule. To the sugar molecule here. Pretend we have a sugar molecule, and then it attaches to what? Nitrogenous base. To a nitrogenous base. Let's just pretend this is a nitrogenous base. So what happens is that the nucleotide is this whole thing. This whole thing is called the nucleotide. It's made up of the phosphate group, the sugar molecule, and also, but the sugar molecule in DNA is called the what? Deoxyribose sugar, right? And in RNA, the sugar is called what? It's called the ribose sugar. Remember to be specific. And then we have the what? The nitrogenous bases. It can either be adenine, thymine, cytosine, or guanine, right? And then what happened? The similarities and differences between DNA and RNA. The similarities between them is that they both have adenine, cytosine, and guanine in both the nucleic acids, right? In both DNA and RNA, we have what? Adenine, cytosine, and guanine. The only difference is that RNA contains uracil and DNA contains thymine, right? So that's the difference, the major difference. And the other difference is that RNA contains ribose sugar, and then DNA contains deoxyribose sugar, right? And then RNA is single-stranded and DNA is double-stranded. These are the differences, guys. Note this thing down. And then how do you recognize the DNA and RNA, right? Up next, the next coming slide. How do we recognize that? Firstly, as you can see, we do what? We have DNA here, and then we have the what? The adenine. Adenine is represented by A. It's represented by A. Remember, it's the adenine. And then we have what? We have the thymine, which is represented by T. And remember that adenine is equal to what? It's equal to. You always have to remember it's equal to adenine is equal to thymine, and then cytosine is equal to what? Cytosine is equal to guanine. This is pretend that is a G. Cytosine is equal to guanine, right? That's what you need to remember. So this is the structure of RNA. How we identify that? Because it's single-stranded, and then the DNA is double-stranded. You see, it's double-stranded. That's how we differentiate between them. The difference between DNA and RNA, right? And then adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. The moment you see thymine, guys, the moment you see this word thymine, just know you're dealing with what? You're dealing with DNA, right? And the moment you see the word uracil, just know you're dealing with what? You're dealing with RNA, right? And then this is a DNA, this is RNA structure. Remember, RNA is single-stranded and DNA is double-stranded. That's the huge difference. And then the other differences in sugar. DNA has what? It has deoxyribose sugar, and then RNA has ribose sugar. Keep that in mind. And then what happened? The difference between DNA and RNA, guys, it's still the same thing. Just know that you see, when you see uracil, it's RNA. It's also not single-stranded, right? And then the one that is double-stranded is DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. And then what happens is that the moment you see thymine, just know you're dealing with what? DNA. These are the only things you need to know about this chapter. This chapter is super easy, guys. It's super easy. You should be acing it. Again. I'm sure even you are now tired of this. We have thymine. The moment you see thymine, just know you're dealing with what? You're dealing with the DNA. And then the moment you see uracil, just know you're dealing with what? RNA. And remember that uracil is equals to what? Is equals to adenine. And then guanine is equals to what? Cytosine. Cytosine is equals to guanine. Always. Cytosine is equals to guanine. Always remember that. And the adenine is equals to what? Adenine is equals to thymine. Right? Meaning that if we have 50% adenine, we're going to have 50% thymine. Always keep that in mind. And then the last part is that me thanking you guys for giving me your time by watching my videos. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the video. And then please subscribe for more content like this. I'm going to provide videos like this, guys. It's going to be entertaining. Thank you for watching. And then up next is session 1.2. Session 1.2, I mean what? Session 1.2 is going to be interesting, guys. Stay tuned. I'm not going to tell you, just play the video. I'm going to upload it, you'll see it. Thank you for watching. Danke.